Steel connections. Dlubal Software offers powerful add-on modules for designing your steel connections, such as frame joints, column bases, pinned and bending resistant beam connections, Sikla or tower connections, or hollow section connections. Perform design of your connections according to Eurokódu, including all cross-section and stability designs, directly in the entire structural model. Save time to determine geometric data or internal forces for your connection design. Export your connections to CAD software and document structural dimensions and graphics in clearly arranged printout reports. Design your structure more efficiently by considering the deformation behavior of your connections when determining internal forces of your structure. Use your add-on modules, Joints and Frame Joint Pro, to determine the necessary rotational stiffnesses. Use joints to design all common pinned and moment-resisting beam-to-beam and beam-to-column connections. Use joint steel pinned to design shear connections. With joint steel DSTV, the design of moment-resistant and pin-standardized I-beam connections is possible. Use joint steel column base to design hinged and restrained column bases according to Eurokódu 3. Choose between various bucket and base plate connections. The software displays all necessary structural dimensions as well as the corresponding bolt hole arrangements. With the add-on module Frame Joint Pro, the dimensioning of rigid bolt connections between columns and horizontal beams is possible. Classification and design process are displayed in clearly arranged tables. However, they can also be exported to other applications, such as Microsoft Excel. Do you have your own connection solutions with defined ultimate load capacities? Determine them with limits for your structure. Create your own databases and limits, and always have your fasteners at hand. We also provide DSTV connections.